Excuse me. Hey, hello everyone. This is Julian Wong from the Binary Lab, and wow, we just had the most exciting webinar, possibly the most exciting webinar of this year, in fact. But needless to say, for this month. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to quickly share this live stream inside of my personal Facebook profile, as well as in my sign up group. My sign up group is a link that is actually linked in this post right there. Facebook.com/group/join Binary Lab. If you're not already in the Binary Lab, that group is going to give you the instructions on where to get started. So once again, the link in the video description is that link to go to if you're looking for information on Binary Lab and how to get in for free and how to get started. All information is right there. But in the meantime, like I said, I'm going to share this to my personal Facebook profile. And I also have a lot of people going to be hopping in for my mailbox list because I was so excited about this webinar that we just did that I literally told everyone about this one. Literally everyone. Like I say everyone, I mean my email list and everything. So right now, I'm just sharing this like everywhere. So I'm going to be right back with you guys. I want to go through all those amazing results. 23 trades in 1 hour. And over $1,400 in live profit. Okay, so it was crazy, and for those of you who are not already in the Binary Lab yet, you are missing out because people are making money, people are building the success stories in every single webinar right here. And I think in the last 3.5 years of running the Binary Lab, I've made so many discoveries in trading. And it's interesting how even after so long, I'm learning new things on how to optimize and improve the results right here. So if you're watching this right now, I'd love to know whether you're already in the Binary Lab or not yet, and where you're from. So go ahead and comment below in the comments below. I want to know where you're from, where you're watching this from, what time it is over there where you're at. And if you're in the Binary Lab, say hi. If you're not yet but have been looking to join the Binary Lab, go ahead and type that below as well. So just give me a few more seconds to post this stuff, and I want to see where you guys are listening in from. So go ahead. Where are you guys from? I see about like 8 of you online right now. Where are you guys from? Go ahead and comment below. Okay, I already see some of you guys joining. Is that you, Titus? I see you just clicking to join into the group, and I'm gonna have. I don't personally do the approvals myself. I mean, this here is the Facebook sign up group. So that's the same group that's linked from the what do you call that from my Facebook page in the post. And I have an admin that manually approves this, guys. And wow, I've seen such huge interest. In the last few days, there's like over 200. Actually, by now we've approved about 50 of you to go into the main group. For those of you who have activated your accounts following the instructions in the pin post, we've already approved you to go into our main group, and that's where all the stuff is being posted. And hello there, Daniel. Hello there, Mina. And okay, it's 11:08, and right, that makes a lot of sense. That makes a lot of sense because we started the session, the most recent webinar session at 4:30 Eastern Standard Time, and we just finished. So that would have been around about the time when the UK markets open. And I'm going to show you this is some really amazing stuff. I'm going to show you the trades that took place. I'm going to start with, we did have a good session. We did have a very good week so far. But today, I actually went through several methods of trading. Reversals, trend follows, breakouts, you name it, various strategies. You see me varying my trade size as well. Why do I vary my trade size? Because based on the type of conditions that I see on the chart, I take on a different strategy. Like I'm looking at this right now. This obviously is an awesome breakout trade right there. And what I would have been doing with this scenario is I've been doing like calls. And then when I look for certain other confirmations, I decide that, okay, at a certain spot, I'm no longer going to take calls, I'm going to be taking puts instead. And today, why today was so interesting was because, like today, there's been parts of the market where it goes up in a very like big rise, small reversal, big rise, small reversal. It's very, very similar to to what I described in my diagram a few YouTube videos ago. You may have already watched it. I was describing about the types of trends. So like, you know, today we had all three different types of market. We had the good, the moderate, and the shit conditions all in at the same time. And the best part is, you know, able to cope with the various conditions and make money. In what is the total win-loss today? Today's total win-loss in terms of percentage may not be the most fantastic in the world, but then again, because we're combining different methods, we combine like reversals where we go for pinpoint accuracy. I also combine like you know, like scalping, and I do scalping with martingales. So I set the minimum trade size really low. That's why when you look at my trades, you know, you see different stuff. You see, one moment I'm doing these incy $120 trades, and then the next moment I'm doing the $300 ones, and then you know, later on when I see some really big movements, you know, I set up for, you know, some huge ones as well. Like you see me setting up for these other ones, like this one. I even today we sold a couple of trades too. I suggested that some of the trades were the conditions have changed, which is no point to remain in the trade. We sell it early. Okay, hi there, Ash, and hello to you guys in United Kingdom and you guys in Germany. Wow, we've got 31 people over here right now. And if you want to state what time it is where you're from, and once again, this is Julian Wong, the work from home trader, the work from home dad trader from the Binary Lab. You know, it's me who founded the Binary Lab 3.5 years ago, and I'm glad to be able to share this skill that I've acquired over the years with you guys. So go ahead and say hi. I mean, a lot of you guys, and if you have any burning questions about binary, go ahead and type them below as well. I will get to them. And you know, I just want to show you today, like once again, today we had hey there, and glad to see you in the group there, honey, and you know, hello David as well. Okay, and so we had different conditions on the market today, and my battery is running really low. I'm going to run for the power real soon. But you know, like I said, today we had all kinds of conditions. We had this one, we had this one, we had this one, and then we had the conditions where, you know, it was like that as well. So just a little bit of everything. And a lot of people like to say the trend is your friend, you know, and there are people in my group who say, you know, I would like to, who are here for the first time, and said, Julian, I would love to see you doing some trend trading, you know, so my answer was that a lot of people have this misconception that the trend is your friend. The matter, it's not that the trend is your friend, but the method is your friend, because based on the type of trends, like I said, there are three different types of trends. There's the good, the moderate, and the shit kind of trend. The good trend extends a lot, pulls back a little, extends a lot, pulls back a little, extends a lot, pulls back a little, and the moderate kind of trends, you know, they actually extend for like fairly big amounts and pull back a bit more than the good ones as well. And then there's a lousy kind of trends that, you know, pull back just about all the way, which makes it kind of hard to trade. So today we had all these various kind of conditions in the markets, and okay, I'm going to have to ban you from this channel, Sergeant, if you're not going to say anything constructive. You know, there's no space for like you know, this kind of unintellectual comments like that. So I mean, how one of the things that Binary Lab, as you can see, like I think Binary Lab has gained such a strong image in this binary options trading world because you know, because a lot of people in the binary industry have just been, you know, like a computer voice. A lot of time when you go through YouTube, and I can show you the kind of BS that happens on YouTube every day, the kind of people that actually come and spam on the videos and just to try to leech people to something else, to some kind of you know, somewhat like either a dodgy broker or let's say, you know, a signal service. And I want to show you some of that comedy that happens every day, the kind of BS that me and my admins work so hard to fight against. And hey there, Kendrick Jones from Australia. So this is the kind of BS that I see all the time in my YouTube. All right. So this kind of people, they just come in and spam, like mass spam all my videos. It's nothing intellectual. And just want to warn you as well, because a lot of you found out about me on YouTube, and a lot of people can be easily duped by spammers who basically leave the same comment on every damn video. The exact same person leaving the same comment on multiple videos. And people try to say, okay, you know, we can help you recoup your losses, blah, blah, blah. We have signals that work so well, blah, blah, blah. And, you know, there's just so much of this BS that happens, and not just here. There are people there's like the same kind of stuff happens on Facebook as well. And I want to, since there's so many of you watching this video stream right now, I also want to educate you about you know, what's really happening. What's really happening is that there are people on Facebook impostering as me. There are people on Facebook that you know, I have reported so many times, but you know, it comes up again and again, week after week. Imposter Julian Wongs that go on and message people, you know, the kind of scams that come up. So message people in as if they're me. So look at this happen. Look at this. This was the 3rd of September. Report someone pretending to be me. It's like 7th, 3rd, August 21st, August 20th, August 18, August 17, August 12. You know, who knows? You know, one of I think anyone out here, like the idiot just now who actually called me a scammer on his live stream, could be one of those morons who's actually, you know, putting up these fake accounts, just trying to bring a bad name to Binary Lab. And the kind of people that bring a bad name to Binary Lab is precisely that. You know, I want to show you that, you know, when you want to find me on Facebook, and just for the note, because so many of you are watching, the best way to find out the only real account that I use is this one. That is the real account that I use. This one is it's facebook.com/theprofessionalbum. That's the only real account of mine. I don't have other accounts. Like sometimes you could do a search. You do a search for Julian Wong, and then sometimes, you know, okay, where is that more? Okay, I'm just gonna search in for this, and sometimes there could be multiple ones. There could be multiple fakes out there, and oh yes, Autobot fakes, Autobot traits are just bullshit. Okay, so right now it seems that the problem has been arrested. We have okay, I'm gonna try and find this again. Search Facebook. I want to see if there are any scammers right now. Damn it, there you go. Scammer right there. I'm gonna report this guy because this one is a fake. So, oh, this guy has even pulled stuff from my Instagram account. Oh, that's disgusting. That's disgusting. This is total BS. I mean, look at this shit. If you guys go to this profile, you see it's a new profile, so it doesn't have a URL. I'm gonna report this right now, and I'm gonna report this because that's not the real me. So I'm gonna report this right now. Report this profile, and they're pretending to be me, or someone I know, and it's pretending to be me. So seriously, like, fuck off all you scammers, and that's just misleading people. It's these kind of people that give me a bad name. So no, I'm not gonna block this guy. I'm gonna submit it to Facebook for review, and Facebook's gonna get me back in the day. I'm also gonna post this in my group so that I'm gonna ensure that this guy gets shut down really fast. Okay, so I have no tolerance for scammers and people that wish to manipulate newbie traders. I have no tolerance for you know, unscrupulous account managers from brokers that tell people something that is totally BS. I'm going to show you something today. This is a screenshot that I received. Someone sent was telling me about his experience. I'm going to show it to you. Okay, check this out. So this guy has been asking me to read his message. Okay, and wait for the thing to focus a little bit. It's taking some time to focus just well. Okay, so I said I'm reading a message now, and so this guy has been a victim of broker fraud. And so I said the best advice: call the credit card company, tell them to do a chargeback. And let's see if this was a previous. Okay, yeah. So this is one. So Please forward this message to Julian. I would like to join your binary lab community and start with you. There's a problem. I had 1K deposited with binarycorporate.com. They automatically gave me bonus, and I was given some serious account manager that was supposed to be the best one in the industry. All this stuff happens all the time, total BS. If you watch my YouTube videos where I educate you guys about what binary trading business model is, the fact that we actually can earn, but the thing is that you need to be super, super careful about selecting your brokers. Okay, so let me continue the story. So this guy, Martin Springer, whatever his name is, plays trades. So he deposited 1K and they gave him a bonus. So probably the account became like 2K, okay? And then in one day, this moron lost $1,500. And so the account was down to 500. So he was pissed and he asked him what the heck was going on, right? And he said, it went bad for you. And so he was shocked and, asked him, like that's all he has. So can you make a withdrawal? So they said that in order to make a withdrawal, he needs to, okay, let's check this out. Responded to a request, someone pretending. Awesome, awesome. Look at that, guys. You see, scammers have no place in this world. Scammers have no place in binary trading, and let them just belong in Facebook jail. And as a matter of fact, I've already reported to the police several people that have been giving such BS. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you. Just want to warn you because I have your attention right now. I want to try and find some of that stuff that came up previously. Right. Okay, here it goes. So Michael Sydney, thank you if you're watching this right now. So he says, am I talking to you? This is on Messenger. So I said no. He said account already shut down. So I'm trying to contact this person. Anyway, report this account. And okay. So this guy has been trying to use. This guy's been trying to use. Look at this scammer. All right, he's pretending to be me and getting people to send money to an account in the USA that is not me. It's not even my name. For God's sake, it's Kim Franks. Who the hell that is? So, so that's a lot of the kind of BS that goes on all the time. It's shocking. Okay, so I want to remind you guys that the best way to contact me, all right, if I don't respond to you on my personal Facebook, please go to facebook.com/thebinarylab page. That is the best way to contact me. And even if I do take a while, because I am a fairly active person. I have 2 kids in this house, and I'm out and about all the time. So I may not get to your message really fast, but my admins do check my inbox as well, help me clear messages and help me clear things out. So, and they will forward stuff to me from time to time. So once again, as I promised, I'm gonna run through with you this webinar that just finished. I need to plug into some power now, so just follow me for a bit. Running out of battery. Okay, hello there Solihin, and hello there Illy. Autobot trading is bullshit. Bot trading only loses money, and at the same time, if you guys wanna find out how to join in the binary lab, and that's my kids right there. That's my fiance, my son, and that's like some graffiti that me and my daughter did at the same time. It's supposed to be Optimus Prime. So, what's new? Okay, what's new, Ryan? Hey, good to hear from you. How's your dancing going? So, I think it's awesome. Like I said, today we had various we have various methods being used on the live webinar because we have various market conditions. Like I said, on the charts today, we had like the parts where it's like high extension, low retrace, high extension, low retrace, reverse, full-on reversals, consolidation, just about every condition today on the markets. And right now, I have fully converted the webinar recording. It's actually already up. So for those of you who are members, of Binary Lab, you actually get full access to all the recordings that we do. So let's say, like when we have a webinar, Alright, this is actually being sent out via Telegram. For those of you who have Telegram on your phone, you get a webinar link. You can access it on your Mac, your PC, your iOS or Android, and like as soon as it's being processed, I actually upload it to my YouTube, and then you can check out the replays. And this is very valuable because when you check out the replays, you can actually get an understanding. Like let's say from one trade to the next, what made this trade work so well, but and then like when you take note of certain points of a trade. I'm going to show you the webinar that was just completed. So this was like a recording, as you can see. One trade setup over here, but basically what I was doing with these Fibonacci's here is to see how much it's retracing. So over here on this is the euro pound, and I've drawn a Fibonacci from the, I'm going to show you how I do it again. So if I want to check the retracement, so this is the kind of stuff that goes on in my webinars, and I actually basically think about the trade for trade. You gotta see on my screen what's happening, right? And to answer your question, Solihin, like if you want to get in on these webinars, you just have to check the Telegram and the updates, and as well as our Facebook group. And the members Facebook group is all there when we're going live. And I'm gonna run through you what happened on this webinar, this trade for trade. So like these are the kind of trade conditions that we looked at today, and I'm gonna run through this with you. So just check that this was today. Was this today? I think it was today. Oh, this was Tuesday's trade. This is Tuesday's webinar. Let's check out today's one. Today's one should be ready as well. And by the way, if you guys have any questions or just want to say hi, go ahead and comment below. If you want me to give a shout out to someone, that's fine as well. So all right, here we go. This was today's webinar, and so sometimes if I see more trade confirmations, I will place a bigger trade. Alright, so these are, this is some, like, I'm just going to kind of scroll forward and identify when a trade started. This one, we started out, we had a false breakout to the upside, which quickly retraced. So we actually went with a martingale on a direction change scalp approach. And this one, so as you can see, this one was still not making money yet. But by the end we were. By the end we went to our third trade. This one we caught the direction change, and this one emerged profitable. Okay, so and then we had a simultaneous trade for different expiry time as well. So we had like reversal and scalps going simultaneously. Okay, so Ravinder, what is the best strategy to make profit? The best strategy is really to have 2 or 3 reliable strategies and know when to apply which one, because the market is always changing. It's never always the same. Sometimes the zigzags can be quite big, alright? Sometimes it can be small consolidations, but the best strategy is to use the right strategy for the right time. So that's what we did a good job of today. And so this trade over here that was running, just in a couple of moments you'll see how that one actually emerged to be profitable as well. And we were looking at multiple setups, because today was like, quiet please, today was like trade setups galore, and okay, there you go. So that one went into the green. Aussie JPY trade, we had 2-hour trades, 3-hour trades going on, 2-minute trades, 10-minute trades, 9-minute trades, all kinds of durations today. And I'm gonna show you, like, you see, alright, you see it was all red for a moment, and then it goes all green, and you see all these trades like making bank. Alright, once again, I vary the trade sizes because of different confidence level, different factors on the trades, and a lot of traders don't show you like when they lose, only when they win. So how I'm different about that is I show you, like, sometimes on the trade we can be losing, we can be winning. I show you everything. And when I think that a trade condition has changed and we should sell the trade in advance, I tell you that as well. So so it's like you can see the number of trades that actually went on, and look at, can you kids be quiet please? Okay, and let me just give the camera a while to focus. Okay, there we go, a lot better. And let's check this out, and the screen at the same time, and the questions that go on as well. So this is a live chat where people get to interact with me, either from your cell phone or from your computer during the webinar, and I can see exactly what your questions are. I can answer you guys in real time as well. So that is the power of the Binary Lab. You get to get the same indicators that I use. You get to get the the strategies that I use, and you get to use the traders chat to find to ask other people inside of the chat what's working, and if you have a problem, you post it. If you want to have a good result, you share it in the group as well. And I mean, these are the people that's thanking me at the end of the session. And this guy, some of them was the first session, and look at that. These guys are making back live on the session, and this is the kind of peer support that goes on all the time as well. Hi there, Mark. Thanks for dropping in. Hope to have you join us real soon. So just running through the trades today, we did epic 23 trades, and we had about today's winning rate overall wasn't like super fantastic. It was probably about 60+%, 65 or so. But with good money management, with some trades, the right trades being bigger and the bad trades being smaller, we weigh the risk based on various conditions. Sometimes when we have 4 trade confirmations, we go for a full size trade. When we have only 1 or 2 trade confirmations, we go for like a half size or quarter size trade. And that way, when you're wrong on something, it doesn't sting you. And if you want to have to double that up, it doesn't sting you as well. So just continuing this video, I mean, I'm so excited because today the result was just so awesome, as you can see, and just going on and on. And you can see what's constantly happening is that we're actually constantly winning trades, and I think what happened the most epic was really there's a set of trades on the Euro Pound trades that I'll be putting this up on my YouTube. I'll be cutting a short segment of this video to show people yes, Simon, the copy is ready. Catherine should be putting it in the members chat as soon as she sees it. So but today, wow, Euro Pound, we absolutely cornered the price action on Euro Pound. We took it when it was going down, we took it when it was coming back up, and basically whichever way Euro Pound moved, we had it either way. So that, I mean, that was like a real victory. That was like a real victory for us, people in the Binary Lab who were on that webinar. And just going through the rest of the trades on this one. Just gonna scroll through real quickly, and you can see how we're actually winning trades, selling off trades, and etc., and building the account. All right, at the end of the day, finishing with a larger account than what we started with, and that's the most important thing. So for those of you who are looking to be able to join the Binary Lab, what you need to do is go into that Facebook link. There's a Facebook link on this post in the Facebook description, and what you need to do is go to that link and click it. So it's facebook.com/group/join Binary Lab, and just check that it's actually inside of the live post. So it's right here where it says, right here you can join this group. Just okay, right there, just mouse it and join that. Okay, so wow, welcome the bunch of people who just requested to join and join in the last couple of minutes. And I see that you guys are really coming in real fast into this group, and I will have my admins working to help you get involved ASAP. So go through the pin post, and I want to share with you that what Binary Lab really is. It's a $497 annual. The value, all right, is $497 annually. Of course, there are signal services out there that are way less accurate and way less committed. So many signal services out there on the market, they go out of business in 3 months, or they take your money and run. And so many of them, they charge like $200 a month. for less quality results. And sometimes when the strategy doesn't work, and many times that happens, because if I can have several strategies, if I can have to evolve the strategy so often, then you can see how how this is clearly superior. And plus, I mean, the people in the chat group that actually are your eyes and ears. David, I'm currently using 24 option. ETX is great for the sells, but I just enjoy the better selection of expiry times and pairs in 24 option. So once again, so just go check out that group, check out the instructions on how to join, and when you actually, it's like I said, it's worth like 500 a year, but you can actually get into free when you open and fund a new broker account through us, and you just follow these links. And the best part for those of you in the USA, okay, once you join, be sure to friend request my admin so that my admin can help you get added into the group. And the good news is, like, I've added a lot of brokers that people in the US can actually use. So if you want to pay a one-time fee, if you have an existing broker, this one, but most people are going to take option 1. So option 1, as you can see, I have like regulated, quiet kids. It's so noisy. So select any of these regular brokers, or let's go for the next one. I've ordered these lists to be like from in order of merit based on reviews, regulation, and feedbacks. I have them like from the high to low. So if you start from if you cannot join on one because it doesn't accept you or whatever, just go to the next one, the next one, the next one, the next one. And for those people in the United States, I have good news for you. I've added more brokers this week. We used to have just one broker that US people could use to join the binary lab with, but now we have like 4. We have like any ones here that doesn't say US is not allowed means it is allowed. Okay, we just for certain reasons we have been told not to explicitly mention that they're accepting, because it is a gray area. Binary options is a gray area for people in the US, but now we have more options for you. WIN, we have binary mate, we have CT, we have FinParry, alright, so I probably was a bit of a transmission problem, Illy. And a lot of selection. You see, like right a month ago we had just about 6 brokers, but now we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and we're adding even AREX. AREX, one of the top new brokers emerging in the market. Really high tech, precise expiry. Adding them within the next 1 or 2 days. So super excited to be able to have you guys with us, and let's grow this really, and let's grow the accounts. Let's change lives, change your lives in binary options trading. And if you have any questions that you also want to ask, go ahead and type in below. If you want to say hi, go type in below. I've been on this webinar for quite some time now, and today, like I said, was one of the best sessions we've ever had. Not in terms of profit, but the fact that we really outdid the markets. We saw every move in advance. We did make some mistakes here and there, but we learned on the spot, made the corrective action immediately on expiry times, in trade sizing, and I think we owned it today. As did we owned it on the past 3 webinar sessions this week. So just want to show you, Mark, you're correct on that. So I'm actually gonna bring in like something else for that regard, because I don't like the model too much. And the Berlin Affiliate Conference. So one sec, I'm gonna be showing, what was I, mental block. What? Okay, I meant to show something just a moment ago. I think it was about was it about brokers or something? Was it about, okay, oh yeah, session times. Okay, yes, so today is already Thursday. The next session time, I actually post all my session times in there. So if you are inside the Binary Lab sign up group, you actually have an image in there where I posted my session times, and the session times are basically where is it? It is I definitely did a screenshot of it somewhere. I'm gonna check out the photo section here. So this was this week's schedule. You missed. Okay, Monday was the bank holiday. We didn't trade on Monday. This was awesome. This one's like kind so, but we made profit still. This was smashing, and tomorrow we have one more session lined up, Eastern Standard Time. And if you guys can get in for that one, join in the fun, and I hope to see you guys in the binary lab. Alright, so that's all for now, and keep your comments coming, and if you have any questions, keep them coming. And like I said, the best way to contact me is on Facebook. And if you're already in the group, post questions in the group. My admins will help you out. And at the same time, if you want to contact me for any other thing, you can send me a message, but I will reply you on voice message. It's just a lot easier for me. And that's all for now. Goodbye for now. Good trading. Bye.